Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Xiaomi steam iron. We will go through common issues and simple solutions to get your appliance working smoothly again. Before starting any repair, always ensure the iron is unplugged from the power source for your safety. We will cover troubleshooting steps for problems like a lack of steam, water leakage, or if the indicator light is not turning on. Let's dive in and get your iron steaming perfectly. If your iron is not producing steam, first check that the water tank is properly installed and contains enough water. The iron needs to preheat for approximately 30 seconds before steam is ready. If water is leaking, avoid overfilling the tank past its maximum line. Also, confirm the water tank cap is tightly sealed. Sometimes, water leaks if the iron's temperature setting is too low for steam production, so ensure it is adequately heated. To prevent future problems, regular maintenance is key. Using purified water instead of tap water can significantly reduce mineral buildup and scale inside your iron. After each use, remember to empty any remaining water from the tank and rinse it with fresh water. You should also wipe the ironing plate with a soft, damp cloth once it has cooled. For descaling, fill the tank with a solution of white vinegar and water, then run the iron to clear deposits. Always prioritize safety when using or maintaining your steam iron. Never add anything other than clean water to the tank, as chemicals or perfumes can damage the internal components. Always unplug the iron before adding water, cleaning, or putting it away. Be careful not to touch the hot ironing plate or steam to avoid burns. If you have followed all troubleshooting steps and your iron still isn't working correctly, it is best to contact professional customer service for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.